In this video we are trying to review top 5 best bass guitars in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Davison Full-Size Electric Bass Guitar. Complete bass guitar combo package. This electric bass guitar kit includes a top-quality Davison electric bass guitar with a 15W amp, padded gig bag, shoulder strap, cable, and 3 picks in assorted colors. Everything you need to learn and play a bass guitar. Full-size electric bass guitar. This gorgeous, full-size, solid-body electric bass guitar from Davison offers excellent specs for students and musicians of all levels. It features dual P-style pickups, an adjustable truss rod, nickel frets, die-cast turners, and 4 steel strings. Included with this electric bass guitar is a 15-watt bass guitar amplifier. This 15W amp, 30W peak power, is an excellent value, allowing you to practice or perform almost anywhere with convenience. Featuring a gleaming, attractive, high-gloss finish that is sure to catch the eye, this bass guitar looks as beautiful as it plays. A maple neck with a finely finished maple fretboard and a chrome bridge add to the classic good looks, ensuring this bass will be a showstopper when played. Number 2. Best Choice Products Acoustic Electric Bass Guitar. Equipped with a 4-band EQ 7545, our guitar preamp to produce high-quality sound for beginners and pros alike. The wood composition creates a beautiful sound, great for unplugged jam sessions or performances. Built-in volume control, a 4-band equalizer adjusts bass, middle, treble, and presence. Ready to use right out of the box, it's perfect for beginning guitarists or professionals who want to practice on the go. Crafted with an attractive inlay, chrome die-cast tuners, and a glossy finish. Number 3. Glary Electric Bass Guitar. The 4-string bass guitar is made of high-quality basswood on body and stable rosewood on bridge and fingerboard. The ergonomic cut surface of the full-size bass guitar in 20-fret provides a fantastic frethand feel when you play. You can play all the warm and rock music styles you want with the split single-coil pickup and 2 volume knobs. Your tune can be stability and smooth with the surface coating design strings and larger string tension delivered. The electric bass guitar is an ideal gift for beginners and suits aspiring musicians too. Each 4 strings and string height can be adjusted, and you can fine-tuning the neck on the top of the fingerboard. You can either lift or carry the bass, equipped with this portable bass bag. It also offers a protection to your electric bass guitar. Ideal for taking your beloved bass guitar to class, perform, and play music with your band friends. Number 4. Costin Full-Size Electric 4-String Bass Guitar. The 4-string electric bass is constructed with a wood body. It features solidity so that you can play it freely. This heavy, durable guitar will stand up to years of wear and tear. With a polished surface, the bass looks smoother and more shiny. It features solidity, but no harmful odor, so that you can play it freely. The body and fingerboard of the bass are respectively made of high-quality paulownia and rose, all of which construct a smooth feeling and a more fluent display. The ergonomic cut surface of the bass guitar is more suitable for your body, provides you with more comfortable performance experience. This excellent product builds a rich bass and full range of tone color. Delivers a smooth tone. It is ideal for rock and roll, playing the blues, and everything else in between. The natural, bright sound complements the warm sounds of the solid wood. Take your electric guitar to your lesson or wherever the next adventure with a suitable bag. You can either lift or carry the guitar with straps. Designed with zip closures, keep your music score or accessories inside conveniently. Ideal for prolonging your guitar's quality and easy storage. Number 5. Fender Aerodyne Jazz Electric Bass Guitar. For the bassist who wants a darkly alluring and notably modern take on a Fender classic, the Aerodyne Jazz Bass is a specialized all-black model unlike any other instrument in the family. It rocks a specially shaped slim body and carved bound top with no pickguard, stained rosewood fingerboard with no inlays, smoked chrome control knobs and hardware, and a Stratocaster output jack. It also features the tonally versatile combination of a pummeling split single-coil precision bass registered middle pickup and a growling jazz bass registered single-coil bridge pickup. Featuring both J bass and P bass pickups, this bass offers a huge range of tones. Unique bound top, Strat output jack, and smoked chrome bridge and tuners provides a unique look. A fast-action neck makes this bass fast and extremely playable. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.